So I know everybody's stuck at home right now, and you're probably pissing off your girlfriend, your wife, your parents. So this is gonna be a get out of jail free recipe. And we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. This is a 7-inch bunker. Oh, I needed that. It's scallops. Everybody loves scallops. But first things first, I really want to thank my friend Ronnie. He's the one that got me these scallops. He's a local fisherman. Support local. I have his information right over here. Here's a picture of this handsome little guy over here. Give him a shout. If you're in the Long Island area, you know, Ronnie will deliver. I also want to thank my friends over at Grocery Delivery Long Island. They're right over here. They got me everything else I needed. I couldn't get out of the house today. I gave my friends Pete and Lauren a call. It was there within an hour and a half. Guys, thanks so much. Let's get into this video. The most important part about scallops when you cook them is the pan needs to be super hot and they need to be dry. So how we're cooking our scallops today, real easy. We're gonna season them with our bourbon maple hops. Gordon Ramsay says, season from afar. All right, you only need to do one side. We'll season the other one there in the pan. Let's get our olive oil in. Boom. When you're cooking scallops, you wanna start at 12 o'clock and work your way around. So then you're not guessing on which one went on first and which one's cooked this way and whatever, just watch. And if you don't hear that, your pan's not hot enough. Throw a little bit of butter inside. Let's season from afar again. Scallops cook quick. You want them at room temperature when you throw them in. I like a cast iron skillet, it gives them like a nice char. Oh man, these smell awesome already. I'm also gonna garnish this with a piece of bacon. Believe it or not, I cooked it in the microwave. 2 minutes on high, and I got really nice bacon dust. Let's check on this first scallop over here. Oh yeah, that's what we want right there, guys. It's a perfect scallop. The other knob of butter. So I'm actually gonna get our plate ready with our white bean puree. Put it right in the middle. We're gonna do nice circles like that. This white bean puree is 1 can of white beans, a teaspoon of our dude's lemon pepper, and then a half a knob of butter, and then we had a little bit of cream that I added. Oh, these scallops look great. All right, let's see what these things are looking like. Scallops are nice. Put one right there. So over here we got our bacon dust. Those are our scallops. There you have it, guys. Restaurant quality scallops in the comfort of your own home. Don't forget, I started my monthly spice subscription pack. You get 3 of these bad boys a month, 15 bucks shipped to your door. Keep forgetting to get pictures. I forget to get thumbnails. Screw this up sometimes, guys. I'm still new at this, all right? Give me a break, okay? Give me a break. But subscribe, hit the button, subscribe.